show you guys that it is working. So just going forward and then backward. Hey you guys, this is Hawkside. In this video I just wanted to show you guys how you can use these two mouse buttons to go back and forth in pages. Currently it's not working, so I came across a website called Sensible Side Buttons, and this allows you to do that exactly, but you have to download the software first. So go ahead and download it and then open it up, and then just double click to open it, and it is going to ask you to allow it to access your computer. So just click on this check button to turn it on. It may ask you to enter your password. Do that. Once you've done that, you can go up to this right here, make sure it is enable it, and then make sure it is on trigger on mouse down, so that when you click on the top button right here, it goes forward, and then when you click on the down button, it goes backward. So let me show you guys that it is working. So it's going forward and then backward. But yeah, so this works specifically for mouse that have two buttons like this. If you have like number pads and other buttons, it may not work. This is only designed for that. But if you guys have any better software you guys found online, feel free to share down in the comment below. It'll be very helpful for other people. But yeah, I hope this video helps. If it does help, make sure to leave a like button, and you can subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you.